Hello, my loves. It's Kasha, Plannerista 101. Today we're going to be creating a spread in my catch-all planner, which is Sketchy Florals, and it is a classic size happy planner. So here we go. It is for the week of February 3rd through the 9th. I'm going to be using stickers from Live Love Posh. As you guys know, I love her stickers. So I have Hello Winter, which is a book from last year. And I have the Winter Allure, which is a sticker book from this year. And even though it is a Valentine's week, I thought that the celebration stickers for the new year would be still great to use for the Valentine's Day week, especially because of the colors. So bear with me as I combine all of these stickers. So as you can see, this one has pale roses and stuff, and then the other book does as well. So I thought I'm gonna combine all these florals and see how it comes out. Bear in mind that this is fully experimental and I don't know how it's going to be. If this is your first time joining my channel, welcome. I'm so glad you're here. I'm so glad you found me. If you have been here before and you're coming back to spend more time with me, I truly, truly, truly appreciate you. And I'm so glad you're here. If you're not subscribed, I would truly appreciate if you would do so you don't miss videos like this. But yes, I try to be pretty consistent, so I will put a couple videos out a week. Only planner content, there's nothing else, lots of hauls and stuff like that. So yeah. But look at these flowers. They do, even though they're very different, they do sit very well together, or at least I think so. Let me know what you think about this, because like I said, I know that they're different, but I also know they kind of match. So I like playing with multiples of books like this, and excuse all the hair. I was playing with my dog and he is white. So yeah, this happens. I probably should have used a roller before I sat down to plan, but I didn't. So it is what it is. So yeah, I'm gonna just fill in the gaps. I do want to create kind of like an edging for the whole page. It is going to be a full spread as always, you guys, so bear in mind that that's what's happening. I am filling this in a pretty full way, so we'll see how it turns out. It might be really bad, but it might be really good. I don't know yet. So I wanted a skinny little thing up here. And then I'm gonna cut off another piece and make it skinny. Sometimes I do that to my stickers, so I still have a box to be functional. I do love my planner to look beautiful, but function is above all with me. So yeah, there we go. And I have this sticker book from the Happy Planner with all the dates, and I decided to finally use it. So let's go for it. I do like this foiled February, so we're gonna do that. And I'm gonna use the red numbers, and we're gonna cover the ones on top to add a little more flair to it. So that is what I'm doing here, and hopefully it will all come together. But yes, I'm using multiple books here, and it is hopefully going to all work out. Do you guys create spreads for Valentine's Day for the whole month of February, or do you do it till the 14th and then you switch over to something else? What is your planning mood like? Because I know some people will do Valentine's all February, and some people will do it only for the first 2 weeks, and others won't do it at all, right? Because it's not a holiday that they celebrate. A lot of people say it's a Hallmark a holiday, but you know what? Hallmark or no Hallmark, love is love, and I love celebrating it whenever we can, including on days like Valentine's Day. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and do my checklist as always. I can't live without those, you guys. Like my brain depends on them, and they need to be in my planner. And then as soon as we're done with those, I'll go ahead and start decorating. We do need more boxes though, because outside of those little ones, which I use for my work schedule, I do need a box a day for events that are happening, whether it's like an event of a day or an appointment or something like that. I've been putting in like when my dog goes to daycare and stuff like that. So all of those things are in my planner and I love having them. Like I said, my little buddy is very, very important to us. So he is in all aspects of my life that I can throw him into. So anyway, let's go ahead and add more stickers. So we have that lovely dress that's so fitting for Valentine's Day, you guys. All pink and red. And I'm matching the boxes to the florals, and I think it's coming out pretty well. But this time, I kind of want to play with some layering of the boxes. Oh my god, that's so crooked. That's so crooked too. Okay, let's put this down and I'm gonna try to fix the other one. I don't know what's going on, why I can't simply put boxes down straight, but that is my challenge all the time. I don't know. I am box challenge to you guys. So that's what's going on, but I'm going to go ahead and keep adding these stickers until they kind of look good. So yeah, there we go. And then I need one more for Thursday. Oh my god, that box is going to like run out of glue, you guys. Oh, okay. Nope. I don't know what to do. Like, this is a curse or something. Just this one box. Like, I can't. Okay, I'm leaving it. I'm just gonna leave it. Oh my lord, that was funny. Okay, how many times can you correct a box? Okay, so I created some steps here and I don't mind that. I know some planners do not like steps. I like them. I think they're kind of fun. I'm gonna put champagne for celebrating. Um, let's see. There's like a couple little things that we can add. I'm gonna add these, even though, like I said, I know they're for New Year's, but I don't care. Celebration is a celebration. Let's add this gift, which is a pink one, and that makes full sense to me. Let's add a drink card, like room service, if staying in a hotel type of thing. I just really like these stickers. And then all of these like confetti celebratory stuff, I'm gonna add that too because I don't know if I think I got this book after New Year's. Yeah. So that is why I didn't probably use it. But I love this confetti. I love what it looks like. I love the fun like party of it. Let's add this and I'm just gonna like remove the tag or cover the tag or something. Or maybe just like do cheers or something. And then, yeah, so cake, let's do cake. And then I'm going to do another one of those big celebration moments here. Yeah, I think this is starting to look very full and very good the way I like to have my planners. These spreads that are like almost overwhelming for some people, those are the spreads that I truly enjoy. I don't know what it is about stuff like that, but like I said, it just brings me lots of joy. I'm gonna put this down. I'm gonna cut the other side of the sticker, just the edges to like bring some of these flowers to the top. And I think I'm gonna put it in the center. Yeah, let's just do it in the center. And then let me adjust the other one so it's in the center too. Let's see. Oh my gosh. You guys, I don't know. Okay, the 5 stayed. Good glue. Good adhesive, you guys. Okay, so let's put this down. Oh my gosh. I am sticker challenge today. Typically is not that much work. I'm gonna actually do something with this remaining sticker. So I'm gonna turn it into like a washi strip and add it to the boxes so it doesn't look the same as everybody else's. I just really thought that might be a good idea to see how it will turn out. So we're gonna go in here like so, and I'm gonna go ahead and go and cut this, and then same thing right there. Yeah, so there we go. There's this. Super awesome. Okay, I need to fix that, but yeah, I think this looks good. It gives it like a little interest. I typically would put them inside of the box, but these boxes are pretty narrow, so I'm already limited with how much I can write in there. So I didn't want to do it too much, but I can do it like on the top and the bottom of it. I think it gives it a little like interest. So yeah, Winter Allure and then Hello Winter are the two books I used. Now pop this back in. Let me know what you guys think, and I'll see you soon for another video. And I hope you guys have a great week ahead. Bye bye.